I need the bed.
Yeah, now keep it there.
It's broken.
You know what? It won't have a way to attach. Is there something to hold this? No, see it's.
So what?
Alright.
So pretty.
We got to get these pumpkins to the market. Gee, it's hard lugging these.
They want to whip.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
To like pretend.
This one's extra heavy. I'm about to drop this. It's so heavy. Finally, I'm up to John's pickup. Finally, it's full.
I'm making my own wheelbarrow. The way from the bum deep is oh my feet.